As you may know, Collections is our persistent data store where any data object of any type can be stored long-term. It's easy to write data to this store from a process using our data connectors. You can also access data via our REST API or directly from our front-end user interface. Collections 2.0 includes some innovative new features to make this package more useful than ever. First, we have our Collections relationships, which allows you to relate data from one collection to another. This makes it super simple to establish connections between data objects and makes the concept of a relational database accessible in a low-code environment. Using this new feature along with our Saved Search package, you can easily create fully fledged dashboards that allow end users to interact with and visualize data in new ways, no coding required. Second, Collection Signals allows you to throw a BPMN signal anytime records in a collection are created, read, updated, or deleted. Now you'll be able to fire off a process with the data from that record and use it in any way that you like. For example, if you have data coming in from an outside service, you could create a process to validate and conform the data to your own specifications. We've also added more granular permissions so you can control a user's abilities to manipulate raw data or access related collections. Finally, we've made it simple to keep your data portable with improved import and export options.